all set at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore, for the Pakistan Junior League match 1, and the umpire says play. Mardan Warriors have won the toss and elected to field first. And wide signal by the umpire, so starts off with an extra, and Gujranwala Giants are on their way with that.
Get boundaries, in particular in these first 6 overs.
Runs off the bat, and Awais gets off the mark with that single.
Bit of grass, not too much. Tinge of green to it, yes. But it does look like it'll just be a really good batting surface. A bit of green grass will just help the ball come onto the bat a little bit better.
Hitting wasn't really easy second time around. Shot from the bat, just pushed down to third man. He's just getting a feel of it. It's the very first game.
Wouldn't have played a lot of cricket out here at the Gaddafi Stadium, of course.
Ooh, sharp ball and a carry. Oh, look at that. Well done by the keeper. It's an extra, yes. But that ball really took off. Also at this level, you just talk about the international youngsters who've been part of this. Oh, that just came in off the surface. Just went right through the defense. So gotta bowl that again, the second extra, in fact the third from this over. Dot ball and end of the first over, and Gujranwala Giants are 5 for no loss.